Good morning, students. So we have already covered analytic functions, Cauchy-Riemann equations, and we have seen that every analytic function satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann conditions. Those are necessary, but when the partial derivatives of the real and imaginary parts are also continuous, then then we are sure that that function is analytic. Now, in this class, in today's class, we will be discussing a special type of function. A function uxy, that is a function of two real variables x and y, is said to be harmonic if the second partial derivatives are continuous and it satisfies the Laplace equation, that is del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square equal to 0, or that is uxx plus uyy equal to 0. So in today's lecture we will be finding that if a function fz equal to u plus iv is analytic, then both the real part and imaginary part, that is u and v, they themselves are actually harmonic functions. So it is very interesting to know that an analytic function has the real and imaginary functions, they are harmonic. And application of harmonic functions you can find in applied mathematics, engineering and mathematical physics. They are used to solve problems involving steady state temperatures, two-dimensional electrostatics and ideal fluid flow. Harmonic functions have a number of properties that are essential to the robotics applications. In general, the paths derived from a harmonic function are generally smooth. Smooth means differentiable infinitely many times. The Laplace equation is also known as potential equation. Hence, these functions which are harmonic are also known as potential functions. So, moreover, if we know that a function is harmonic, then that is, suppose we know that uxy is harmonic, then corresponding to this harmonic function we can always find another harmonic function called as the conjugate of this, such that f equal to u plus iv will become analytic. So all these things we will be learning in today's lecture. So look forward to you. Thank you.